Hello, and welcome to another adventure with ScootyDub. This is part 2 of the BC road trip series. In this episode, Jason and I leave Vancouver and drive to Lake Els Lake. I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's go with Lake Els Lake, British Columbia, to join a couple of his friends for a weekend of golf, yard games, and chilling by the lake. It's a beautiful place, and many good times were had. I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, time for some more exposition. We successfully left Vancouver yesterday at 4 p.m. We drove for 10 hours. We made it just past Prince George. It was 2 a.m. Jason did most of the driving at the beginning, and then I did 2 or 3 hours at the end. We pulled off into a rest stop and slept somewhat okay for 5 hours. Woke up at 7, and then we left at 7:30. We've been on the road for a bit, and we are now stopped in Houston, British Columbia. I don't know if I could sleep in a car very many consecutive nights, but for one night, it wasn't bad at all.
We're going down the road. No consent!
So bears.
Oh man. Hey! On the right dirt road, but then which way do I turn and which number and how far? Makes sense. I see eventually other.
I'm getting a little bit better at just talking to the camera and rambling, but I need to tighten up my narratives. I need to say what I'm gonna say with a little bit more assertive and not so much rambling. Alright, that's good for now. I might do another take.